Hi, you want to improve your office environment with an air purifier.
Tired of working in a stuffy and crowded office? Do you want to increase productivity and create a healthier environment for your employees?
Look no further than the solution that can transform your workspace, an air purifier.
Air purifiers are small, energy-efficient devices that can make a big difference in your office. They work by effectively removing various airborne contaminants such as dust, pollen, pet dander, mold spores, and even chemical fumes. By installing an air purifier, you can ensure that your employees are breathing cleaner air, which has a direct impact on their health and productivity. People with allergies or asthma will especially benefit as the purifier helps alleviate symptoms caused by dust and chemicals that can lead to eye irritation and breathing problems. At Media and Tech Lab, we extensively tested many air purifiers to determine the most effective ones. Our top picks are not only quiet and energy efficient, but also excel at removing airborne contaminants such as dust, pet dander, and mold spores. One standout option is the Levoit air purifier for people with pet dander in the bedroom. It has a powerful H13 True HEPA filter and is designed to cover up to 1,095 square feet, making it suitable for larger office spaces. The Levoit air purifier boasts a well-designed interior that ensures optimal performance. With easy setup and user-friendly controls, you can adjust fan speed and switch between sleep and continuous operation with just a few clicks. Plus, it operates at a quiet 24 decibels, ensuring a peaceful working environment. The Core 300, the most affordable True HEPA filter we've tested, comes with a convenient filter life indicator that lets you know exactly when it's time to change the filter. Additionally, the built-in timer and filter life indicator make maintenance hassle-free. To sum up, the Levoit air purifier is an affordable and well-designed choice for removing allergens and air pollutants in your office. By investing in an air purifier, you are investing in the health and productivity of your employees. Take the first step towards a cleaner and healthier office environment. Install an air purifier today and experience the benefits firsthand. Breathe easier, work better.